clothes to go see his girlfriend. He was followed by 2 members of the NYPD. They break the door down and went in his house without any warrant. Up and saw in Ramarley, his name is Ramarley Graham, they shot him cold-blooded in his heart and killed him. Shot him in front of his grandmother and his 6-year-old brother. The cop was indicted, but the case was tossed and a new grand jury was set forth. Yesterday, they decided that there wasn't enough evidence. There wasn't enough evidence to indict. The house had surveillance cameras on it. Caught the cop kicking the door like a little kid that didn't get his candy. Violated every protocol of the NYPD. Went in the house without any warrant. Murdered my son. And he's allowed to walk in D Street and kill again. If Ramarley was a white kid, he would still be alive. And if the officer was black, his own hopes would have to plea bargain not to spend the rest of his natural life in prison. Racism is alive and well. We are not against Caucasian. As you see, look very good. We have people from all walks of life with us. It's not about hating one race. It's about demanding respect for all race. And it comes a time, if we can get it, ladies and gentlemen, we gonna take it. If we can get it, we gonna take it. Because we're gonna keep doing this. As I said, we're not gonna just inconvenience our neighbors in Harlem or the Bronx. We will go where the tourist is in 42nd Street, Bowling Green, South Ferry, Upper East, Riverdale. We will go where the mayor lives. There is a holiday coming up in December. I know all you are thinking, oh yeah, he's talking about Christmas. No, I'm talking the biggest holiday for the black and Latino. Do anyone know what day is that? Anyone know what day is that?
Let them know, let them know.
That's the day when Mayor Bloomberg leaves office. That's a holiday. Look at education in this city.
Horrible.
Look at police relations with the community they serve. How a teacher treated. Hospital is closing. He got $28 billion. Find something to do with that money. If you're with us, make some noise, please. Come here, sir, please. I want you to come this way where you could turn that picture this way, because I want them to see my pain. I'm not just here starting trouble. This is my son, my 18-year-old son that they murdered. My son, our son, his mother is here. This is, look at him, 18 years old. And they shot him in his heart in his own home. No weapon, nothing. And he's allowed to collect our tax dollars and walk the street and possibly kill again. So we say no to Richard Haste. 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 Thank you for listening to me. Enjoy your dinner and God bless you.
Thank you.
If we can't have no justice,